Hello, today we're going to talk about solving systems of linear equations by graphing. A system of linear equations consists of two or more linear equations. A solution of a system of linear equations is any ordered pair xy that makes all equations true. Okay, to solve by graphing, we simply graph all equations in the system, then identify where the lines intersect. This intersection is your solution. Example 1. Find the solution of the system of equations by graphing. Okay, first we're going to graph y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Okay, just like all of our slope-intercept form, we start with our y-intercept, which is -3. So I'm going to use red here, go to -3 and put a dot. My slope is 1/2, so I go up 1/2. Do it again and again. Up 1/2. If I want to go backwards, I could go down 1 and to the left 2, just to give me some lines both directions. Okay, now I want to draw a straight line. So I'm going to come here, going through all of these points like so. Next, I want to graph y equals -3x plus 4. So I go to my starting point, my y-intercept, which is plus 4, and do my slope -3, which is down 3/1. Do it again, down 3/1. Okay. I want to now draw a line connecting all of those points like so. Okay, if you'll notice, we cross at this point right here. Okay, we name that point. Our x-coordinate is 2. Our y-coordinate is -2. And that is our answer. There are some special circumstances in which no solutions and infinite many solutions could possibly be your answer. In example 3, we're going to find the solution of a system of equations by graphing. Just as we have before, we're going to graph y equals 1/2 x plus 2. So let's do this real quick. My intersection is at plus 2. My slope is 1/2. I'll make me several points there. Now I'm ready to draw my line. Okay. My next is y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So I have an intersection at -2 and a slope of 1/2. Do this over and over. Let's try my line again. Now, if you can tell by looking, these lines are parallel. if I wasn't very neat in drawing these slopes, you can always look back at what we know about parallel lines. Parallel lines have the same slope. Here we have a slope of 1/2. Here we have a slope of 1/2. So these lines are parallel. They will never touch. So lines that never touch have no solutions. Okay, let's move on down a little bit more. One more example. Let's graph these two. Okay, first of all, I have y equals 1/5 x plus 9. So I go up to 9, 1 over 5. If I want to go keep going, 1 up, 1 over 5 again. Then I can do down 1 to the left 5. You know this works because they're staying in line. Okay, let me draw my line through here. Okay, next I want to graph 5y equals x plus 45. Well, this is not in any form that we recognize, but we can change it to slope-intercept form. Let's divide both sides by 5. And everything over here gets divided by 5. Okay, these 5's cancel. So y equals 1/5 x plus 9. Okay, now if you'll notice, this is the same as this. So actually, essentially what I'm doing, I'm graphing over the same line. It should be on there the whole way. So, remember our definition of a solution. Solution is where they intersect or where they touch. These two lines touch everywhere. So they have what is known as an infinite many solutions. And those are the three major types of systems that you will encounter. Have a good day.